All right, everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. We are now going for a ride in our 1970 Pontiac GTO. One of the better years of the Pontiac. Always played in one of my favorite movies, The Faculty, back in '98. But anyway, the GTO we have here in front of us is a nice silver with a black interior combination. Got that nice old-fashioned Pontiac shifter. I believe it has the Pontiac wheels on it. Still got most of your factory Pontiac gauges. You have a 80s two-knob radio from Panasonic. That's very old, something you'd see in Radio Shack. Has the AC hooked up. This car was actually redone by Skyway Classics itself, so everything on this car was redone well. Very well taken care of, very well put together. Took a lot of time and effort to really put this car into what it is now. And it's a very nice riding car, especially. It's got power, got the nice tips on the exhaust. Very well, you can take this car home, have a little fun with it. Anyway, now we're gonna get her turned around and get her on the lift. Please stay tuned to see the underneath.